Use Dall-e 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Dall-e 3, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Dall-e 3 is one of the image generating product of OpenAI. Now there is also Dall-e 4 and the later versions, but this one is Dall-e 3. So go to the link in the description, and when you go there you can click on try in ChatGPT. When you click on try in ChatGPT, your ChatGPT is going to get opened up, and as you can see I did try generating some images. It says I ask you to generate an Android logo, I also to generate a certain thumbnail, and this is how it made it. So if you want to also use it, you can go ahead and use it. And obviously there are actually limits, because at the end it said me that it seems like I can't generate any more images. Please try again later. If you have any other questions and need assistance, you'll feel free to something else, right? So this is basically what it told me after I generated 2 images, but to give you a basic context, that's how you can use Dall-e 3. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.